Good morning to everyone. Here I am Kotkar sir. So today I am going to start the data visualization package. When we talk about the syllabus, so we have this particular package. Uh, so far in 11th class we have studied NumPy package. NumPy package is used to make mathematical operation, fast mathematical operation, matrix related operation we can perform by using NumPy package. Now here matplotlib package. So when I open, just wait, just I'm opening here Python editor. So you are familiar with this. So this is the Python editor. So what is data visualization? Data visualization using matplotlib package. Now package, what is package? Package is nothing but the collection of different modules. Okay, so every package, every modules have different purpose. Now here by using this particular matplotlib package we can visualize user data graphically. So far the outputs we are getting that are theoretical output, textual output, or output in terms of numbers only. Now when we talk about particular organization, let us suppose our school is one organization. So school have a very huge data. School have student related data, teachers related data, school have other furniture related data, whatever infrastructure school have. Okay, a lot of heavy huge data school have, or this particular organization have. In order to visualize this particular data within a less period of time, what is the current situation or current status of our school in terms of different things. Okay, so whenever we plot this particular data or try to show this data theoretically, okay, or textually, at that time it is very difficult to understand. Okay, or we required a lot of time, we required a lot of concentration. So what is the solution? By using this particular matplotlib package in Python, it is easy to visualize our huge data, lengthy data, by using graphically, by using different tools of matplotlib package. You might familiar with the different tools that already we have used in mathematics also, 9th 10th class. Suppose I am just writing different tools of matplotlib package that we have to use. That is first one, line graph. The second tool we have, that is we can bar graph. Third tool that is available, or we can visualize user data by using, we have scatter graph. And the fourth tool that we can use, आवाज कमी करना. The next tool that